Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts and welcome to Wednesday. If you're new to this channel, this is 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece, which is basically means that I take scraps that a subscriber has sent in, I take 10 minutes to create a card, and then I send that card back to them. So it's just a creative way for me to get into stepping outside the box and creating something with stuff I've never seen before. So I do take just a moment to take everything out so you guys can see what it is. I set my phone for 10 minutes and then we take off. So if you if you've never seen my channel before, stick around. And if you've been here before, you know exactly what to expect. And I think this is what 114th one I've ever done. I've just set up my phone because I completely forgot to do that before I taped this. So let me just go ahead and get that set up. Make sure to set my my display so it doesn't shut off on us while we're doing this. So 10 minutes, that's what we need. Oh, and you know what? Some of you guys are going to be like, oh, this has happened so many times. We're going to have it on the tiny side because guess what? Now all of a sudden, it won't flip anymore. I can't remember how I fixed it last time, but, whoa, it bumped my camera and everything. Hold on one second. That was my toothpick container falling down. It's so real on this channel. It's so real. Okay. Yes! Okay, this is Mr. Snuggles, and he's gonna hold the phone for us. So, I'm sorry it's tiny this time, but I will figure it out. And the scraps have been turned into us by Linda Carafa, so I'm super excited. Let's just pull out and look at the other stuff that we don't see behind there. Oh my goodness, we got all kinds of little doohickeys in here. We've got a couple of little hearts. We've got cut out flowers. These are like little button or plastic type things. I feel like we did this one before. Did I shove this back in because there was so much left? Maybe I shouldn't be doing this one. I'll have to double check. But anyway, hang in there. We're going to go ahead and do this anyway. Even though this might have been one we've already done. I can't remember. Let me get a card base here. I'm going to make it the fat way. What would you call it? The hamburger way. If you know anything about schools. The chunky way. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this, and then if this wasn't the one, I'll just redo another one. You'll never see it. Alright, so I've got 10 minutes and I've got some really fun stuff here. There is a little, probably a nose for the bear, I'm thinking. That's why I feel like I've done the bear before, but we'll go ahead and do this anyways. This is really cute paper. I like this. Got a lot of different, so like this sort of matches that light teal in there, only it's a little bit brighter of a teal, but let's go ahead and put on some of this for like behind the bear. So that bear is going to be standing like maybe behind there. Pull out my glue. This one's not the full one. So we're going to give him a little nose. So I'm going to use that black one for his nose. Oh, there it's coming. Whoop, too much. There we go. So that'll be his nose, and then I'll give him some eyes by putting some black paper behind it. I have some extra paper here, and we only need a little bit of it. So what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of glue around it and make sure that the black part stays on his eyeball. And then what I'll do is I'll just take like a white glue pen or a white, not a glue pen, what you call it, can't think of it offhand, gel pen, not a glue pen, a gel pen. See if we can get some eyeballs going there. But I think that'll work out. Let's just go ahead and put these down here. Oops, cap off would help. Okay. And some of this paper. And then we will glue him down. All right, gel pen. Let's see if we can give him some eyeballs here. How cute is he? He's got a little mouth. It's hard to see, but he does. I'm going to give him some flowers. I'm going to save one because I'm going to put one of those flowers on the inside here. That way, all I have to do is just trim off the sides. This is a very busy card, but at the same time, I just think it's really cute. I'm wondering if I should maybe add a little face to him. You know what? I'm gonna give him just a little black body. But I don't. Let's try this marker. I don't want to use a marker that's gonna bleed all the way through the card. So there's a couple of cuts on here. I'm just trying to follow those to make the circle. Make it a little bit bigger because I made a mistake there. There we go. And he's got a little mouth too. Give him some pink ears maybe? Let's see if that'll work. I gotta find a pink. Here's one. There we go. Should have made his belly pink. That's okay. Maybe a little bit on his little paw here that we can see. Pulling in that pink from the papers. And then on the inside, we'll add this extra flower. And I think this little heart, we'll put that little heart right on his tummy. Or do we want to bring out the blue? Oops. No, I think we're gonna, oh, let me see. Blue or pink? Yeah, the blue stands out more. So I apologize, Linda, if this little guy falls off. I'm gonna try this glue and see if it works. Hopefully it'll stay on. And want to bump up, so I'm not going to put any on the bottom. And I've pretty much used everything. Let's see, what else do we have? We've got blue, but I chose not to use that blue. Oh, we've got this little guy. Let's go ahead and do a little shouldn't have put the glue on first. Now I can't get this cut. There we go. That'll work. And then I'm going to put a little, I don't know if this will work or not. Let's see if we've got enough to do this. That didn't work. Let me try again. Too little. I'll just have to do a regular one. There we go. If this doesn't stick, I'll have to use a glue. I'll have to use a little glue dot, but hopefully it'll work. Looks like it's gonna work. All right. Oh, I do want to mention, if you're gonna send one in, make sure that you put 1 in 10 by Jen on the outside of your envelope, because I get envelopes for other things too, and sometimes it gets confusing. That way I will know. These scraps will all go in my Scrappy-Doo pile. If you're a watcher, you'll already know what that means. If not, hang out until the new year. We'll be doing lots of creative things from all the scraps that I've created created and saved throughout the year, including stuff like this. And that is the end of that card. It turned out super cute. A little bit busy. I know some people don't like the busyness, but it's adorable. And then the inside matches. So I will stamp my information on the back here, and I will mail that out to Linda Carafa. So Linda, thank you so much for joining us and sending yours in. If you want to get in on this and you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button in red and click the bell icon and choose all so you don't miss out on videos that are coming up. And this will be a sale weekend, so if you're unfamiliar with that, go to qualitycrafts.com and then click on the store button, and that will take you to the store. And we changed it, so I know it looks like she doesn't know what she's talking about, but we changed it to be very, very simplified. So if you want to know how the sales work, go to the rules tab, and that will walk you through it. There's a way that you can read it in a little post, a little picture. There's also videos that I've created for you that will explain it. And if after that you don't understand, feel free to contact me or Penny Ratcliffe. We would love to help you out. We'd love to see you at the sales. Share them with your friends. We do have new as well as used and budget items. So yeah, that's about it. I hope that you guys do check out Friday's video as well. It's going to be jam-packed full of ways to do flocking, which is kind of an old but yet kind of changed into a new thing, and it's super fun, so don't miss that. And I can't wait to see you guys next video.